Good morning. Good morning. How's everybody out there today? Vinny Cuz here. Listen, as you can tell by the thumbnail, this really isn't going to be about Uber and Lyft. This is going to be more about this channel and what we're trying to accomplish here and the collection of people that I have around us. So I had to do something yesterday I didn't think I would want to do. So first and foremost, I absolutely believe in the First Amendment, right? I believe in that First Amendment. I believe in the freedom of speech for you to speak your piece and say what you need to say. And we have a reasonable right to disagree. We can do that respectfully. But there's one individual, and I never thought I'd have to do this, but there's one individual that I had to tell him just to
shut the fuck.
The reason why is because he's an antagonist. He's a troll, or she, well, whomever it is, right? It just got to the point where now it's a nitpicking. Now it's a screaming for attention. And see, there's one thing we don't do here, man. We don't do negativity. If you listen to Jay Watts, he's always trying to take you to a higher level. If you listen to Eddie, right, with driving, he's always trying to take you to a higher level. They're giving you the tools and the motivation and the mindset to pick yourself up and get the hell up out of this rideshare stuff, because the rideshare stuff is nothing but a stepping stone. Kiera, she's hustling harder than anybody, right? Living out the vehicle, doing her thing. Brandon up in Chicago, he's giving you the keys to the kingdom in Chicago. You got Ron working a regular job and then putting in the hours here to make the money. My point is we don't do negative. Yeah, we might get frustrated at times with the apps. We might see some stuff that they do that ain't cool. You know, they're not transparent. But that's not being negative, because we're still in the game and we're still making a run at this money. And we're going to still get paid no matter what. But if you're going to go on somebody's channel, you want to have a disagreement with them, you have a difference of opinion, hey man, that's cool. But when you go on somebody else's channel and you just start trashing them, and they're not, it's not like it's a channel for clickbait. It's not like it's a channel that, is out there bashing people. Because listen, I could rip off 5 or 6 channels right now that all they do is trigger your emotions. All they do is make money off your ass by getting you into your feelings. We don't do that here. So I had to do a thing. I had to block that person, remove them, hide them from the channel. And I never really thought I would have to do that. You get the spam and stuff in there, go to this channel for a hot chick or a hot dude, whatever. Okay, that's not what I'm talking about here. What I'm talking about is if you come on my channel, which you're free to do, and you're free to disagree, but the minute you cross that line, I don't need it. I've gotten rid of all that damn negative crap out of my life. I used to be surrounded by people that had a problem for every solution. You feel me? You understand what I'm getting at here? I make my money. Whether I'm driving on the apps or I'm sitting back here, I make my money. All of this here is an investment in me to try to help 1 or 2 people or everybody who subscribes to the channel, so that you might see something that might help you make that extra $5, $10. I got a video I'm doing later on today, right? 5 tips to help increase your tip probability, right? So I'm not doing this because I'm trying to be a superstar. Believe me, I don't need to be doing this. I'm doing it because I want to help those, because when I got started, there wasn't a whole lot of people out there helping. Randy, that was it. Everybody else was a basher. So I just wanted to come on here, put this out there, and if that individual pops back up under another channel, we've identified an individual that'll go and make YouTube channel names just to go in and spam YouTube comments. I mean, come on, man, get a life. Get a life. You do you, and what works for you works for you. If you're happy with where you're at, cool. I got no problem with that. But don't come on my channel with that bullshit. That's not what we're here for. None of us are here for. We take our time to come out here and try to help you guys and ladies. And that's the intention. If we're wrong, we'll admit it. And we'll say, hey, look, man, I screwed up. That was wrong. But, that's all I'm saying. So to that individual, because I know you're going to create another channel. I know you're going to come back up here, and it's all good. But if you come in here with that garbage again, well, Yeah. Peace out.